Moving the world's heaviest and most complex cargo isn't just about brute force. It's a masterclass in precision, engineering, and sheer determination. From transporting 160-ton steel beams to maneuvering 14,914-ton ship blocks or moving an entire oil platform from its origin in the middle of the North Sea. These extreme heavy hauls push the limits of what's possible. Get ready to witness the most mind-blowing feats of logistics and machinery as we dive into the world of record-breaking transport operations. KTB 1000. The KTB 1000 by Korea TLS is a game-changer in wind turbine blade transportation, designed to handle the sheer size and weight of modern renewable energy components. Weighing 35,000 kilograms, this specialized transporter is built for extreme loads, capable of carrying up to 350 metric tons. To ensure balance and stability, it features an adjustable counterweight system ranging from 3,000 to 50,000 kilograms, allowing it to adapt to different blade sizes and transport conditions. Maneuverability is where the KTB 1000 truly excels. With a tilt angle of up to 60 degrees, a full 360-degree pitch rotation, and a 15-degree pivoting capability, it offers unmatched flexibility in positioning turbine blades. This level of movement is crucial when navigating challenging landscapes, from steep mountain roads to tight urban spaces. The precision control allows for smoother transport, reducing risks and ensuring that each blade reaches its destination without damage. As wind energy projects grow in scale, transporting massive turbine blades over long distances is becoming more complex. Equipment like the KTB 1000 plays a vital role in making these ambitious projects possible, pushing the limits of engineering to support the global transition toward cleaner, more sustainable energy sources. 138-ton MON engines. Moving a 138-ton MON engine is no small feat, especially when navigating the challenging transport routes of Honduras. The journey from Ceiba to Sambo Creek required careful planning, specialized equipment, and precise execution to ensure the massive engine reached its destination safely. With its immense weight and size, the engine demanded a heavy-duty transport solution capable of handling extreme loads. Every phase of the operation, from loading and securing the cargo to navigating unpredictable road conditions, had to be meticulously coordinated. The route presented its own challenges: tight turns, varying terrain, and infrastructure limitations, all of which required expert maneuvering and strategic counterweight adjustments to maintain stability. These types of transports are critical for infrastructure and industrial development, supplying the power necessary for large-scale operations. Whether for energy generation, marine applications, or industrial facilities, MON engines of this scale are a driving force behind essential industries. The successful transport of such a massive load across Honduras showcases the expertise, technology, and logistical precision required to move heavy machinery in some of the most demanding environments. Transportation of a mega beam. Moving a 160-ton, 56-meter-long steel beam is no ordinary task, but for Transports Capel, it was the perfect challenge to showcase the capabilities of its newly acquired K25 heavy XLE modular trailer from Nicholas. The high-stakes transport took place at the port of Dunkirk, where precision, stability, and coordination were essential to ensure a flawless execution. The K25 heavy axles modular design provided the flexibility needed to handle the beam's immense weight and length, distributing the load evenly across multiple axles. This advanced system minimized stress on the infrastructure below while allowing for controlled maneuvering in the restricted spaces of the port. Every phase of the operation, from securing the beam to navigating tight turns, required expert planning and split-second decision-making. Heavy transport operations of this scale demand more than just high-performance equipment. They rely on seamless teamwork between transport specialists, engineers, and port authorities. With strict safety regulations and logistical challenges to overcome, every detail had to be executed with precision. The successful completion of this mission further solidifies Transports Capel's expertise in handling complex, high-capacity hauls, proving once again why they remain a leader in the world of heavy transport. Power generator heavy haulage. Transporting Alice Springs' new power generator was no ordinary haul, covering a grueling 1,500-kilometer journey from Darwin along the Stewart Highway. The operation required meticulous planning, specialized equipment, and a highly skilled team to ensure the massive load reached its destination safely. The generator, a critical addition to Alice Springs' energy infrastructure, was an oversized and heavy piece of machinery, demanding a high-capacity transport solution. a multi-axle platform trailer was deployed to evenly distribute the immense weight, reducing stress on the road and ensuring stability throughout the long trek. Escort vehicles accompanied the convoy, managing traffic and navigating tight sections of the highway, where every turn and incline had to be handled with precision. The Stewart Highway, known for its vast stretches of open road and unpredictable conditions, presented its own set of challenges. Extreme heat, sudden weather changes, and remote terrain required constant monitoring to prevent mechanical strain and ensure the transport stayed on schedule. Every kilometer covered brought the generator closer to its final installation, where it would play a vital role in securing reliable power for the region. Heaviest transport by Excavator. Moving a 14,914-ton ship block is an engineering feat like no other, and Excavator, part of the Faymonville Group, holds the record for the heaviest land transport ever completed. This colossal structure, built by Sankong MNT, was transported in Goseong, South Korea, by KCTC International Limited, with additional support from industry experts Anjian, Daemyeong, and Global. At over 110 meters in length, the ship block required an unprecedented level of coordination and precision. A staggering 324 Excavator MSB axle lines, self-propelled modular trailers equipped with electronic steering, were deployed to distribute the massive load evenly, ensuring stability throughout the move. Each axle worked in perfect synchronization, maneuvering the enormous structure through the transport route with absolute control. Executing a transport of this scale goes beyond raw power. It demands meticulous planning, real-time monitoring, and split-second adjustments to navigate obstacles and maintain balance. The success of this record-breaking operation underscores the capabilities of Excavator's MSB technology and the expertise of the companies involved. Moving nearly 15,000 tons across land and sea isn't just a logistical challenge. It's a demonstration of cutting-edge engineering and precision transport at its finest. 4 transition pieces for Hornsea 1. The first 4 transition pieces for the Hornsea 1 offshore wind farm have begun their journey, each weighing an immense 340 tons. These towering steel structures play a crucial role in connecting the massive turbine towers to their seabed foundations, ensuring stability in the harsh offshore environment. Transporting components of this scale requires specialized logistics, with each piece carefully secured and maneuvered to withstand the demands of both land and sea transport. Every step of the journey is precisely coordinated to prevent structural stress and ensure they arrive in perfect condition for installation. Hornsea 1, once completed, will be the world's largest offshore wind farm, delivering clean energy on an unprecedented scale. The successful movement of these transition pieces marks another milestone in the project's progress, pushing forward advancements in renewable energy and offshore engineering. Transport and modernization of industrial tanks. In spring 2024, a major milestone was reached at the Barrebenhausen site of GSB Sonderabfall Sorgung Bayern GmbH with the final phase of its tank farm modernization. The arrival of new storage tanks marked the completion of an extensive upgrade aimed at increasing capacity and efficiency. The process began in summer 2023 with the removal of decommissioned tanks from Tank Farm 1, clearing the way for the installation of 4 state-of-the-art replacement tanks, each capable of holding 100 cubic meters. With these additions, the total storage capacity at the Ebenhausen facility expanded to an impressive 2,200 cubic meters. Transporting and installing the new tanks required precision, planning and execution, ensuring seamless integration into the existing infrastructure. By December 2024, the commissioning process was successfully completed, reinforcing the site's role as a critical hub for specialized waste disposal. This expansion not only enhances operational capabilities, but also strengthens long-term sustainability in hazardous waste management. Transporting a colossal rotor, Bear to Muttons. Transporting a 128-ton rotor from Bear to Muttons was no ordinary haul, but for Weltifuhrer Nukren and Special Transport AG, it was a mission that demanded precision, expertise, and state-of-the-art equipment. Moving such a massive and delicate component required careful coordination at every stage, from loading and securing the rotor to navigating Switzerland's infrastructure with absolute precision. Specialized heavy-haul trailers were deployed to evenly distribute the immense weight, ensuring road safety and minimizing stress on bridges and highways. Escort vehicles accompanied the convoy, managing traffic and providing real-time navigation assistance to keep the transport on schedule. Every turn, incline, and stop had to be executed flawlessly to protect the integrity of the rotor, a critical component likely destined for power generation or industrial applications. With strict regulations governing oversized loads, The operation involved close cooperation with local authorities and transport specialists. Successfully delivering the rotor to Muttons showcased Weltifer's expertise in handling complex logistics, reinforcing its reputation in specialized heavy transport. The longest trailer in the world. A transport operation of extreme proportions unfolded as a 125-meter-long trailer carried a massive 300-ton load of railway sleepers. Moving such a heavy and elongated cargo required precision, planning, specialized equipment, and expert handling to ensure a smooth and secure journey. The trailer's extended length and immense weight posed unique challenges, particularly when navigating sharp turns, inclines, and infrastructure restrictions. Every axle played a critical role in evenly distributing the load, preventing excessive pressure on the road surface while maintaining balance throughout the journey. Escort vehicles accompanied the convoy, coordinating traffic management and ensuring compliance with strict transport regulations. Railway sleepers are fundamental to rail infrastructure, providing stability and durability for high-load tracks. Pioneering Spirit removing the EMI platform. Alcia's Pioneering Spirit, the world's largest construction vessel, proved its groundbreaking capabilities during its maiden heavy-lift project, the removal of the 13,500-ton EMI mobile offshore production unit in the North Sea. On August 22, 2016, the dynamically positioned vessel executed the single-lift removal 100 kilometers off the coast of Norway for Repsol Norway AS, showcasing a level of efficiency and precision previously unseen in offshore decommissioning. The EMI Mapu, a jack-up platform supported by 3 massive steel legs, was securely extracted from its subsea storage tank columns at a depth of 93 meters. Once lifted, the platform was sea-fastened onto Pioneering Spirit's deck and transported to the dismantling yard in Lutlandet, Norway. This mission demonstrated the vessel's revolutionary single-lift system, which significantly reduces offshore labor and safety risks while streamlining both installation and removal operations. Designed entirely in-house and named in honor of offshore heavy-lifting pioneer Peter Schulte-Riemer, Pioneering Spirit is a game-changer in offshore engineering. With the ability to lift entire platform topsides up to 48,000 tons and jackets up to 20,000 tons in a single piece, it is redefining efficiency and cost-effectiveness in the oil and gas industry. MV-26 modules 5P2 and 4P2. The transport of the EB modules 5P2 and 4P2 marked a critical phase in the development of the FPSO Cidade de Itaguaí MV-26, a key asset in Brazil's offshore oil and gas industry. These massive topside processing units, along with essential hull and marine systems, were moved with precision to ensure their seamless integration onto the floating production storage and offloading FPSO vessel. Handling such oversized and complex components required specialized heavy-lift vessels and transport equipment capable of securing and maneuvering the massive structures safely across long distances. Every detail, from structural reinforcements to load distribution, was meticulously planned to prevent transit-related stress and ensure the modules arrived intact and ready for installation. Once operational, the Cidade de Itaguaí MV-26 will play a crucial role in Brazil's offshore production, processing vast volumes of oil and gas extracted from deepwater reserves. And that's just a glimpse into the world of extreme heavy transport, where engineering meets impossible challenges head-on. But there's no shortage of jaw-dropping hauls happening across the globe. From even larger loads to cutting-edge machines pushing the limits, there's always another record-breaking move to witness. Don't miss what's coming next.